Hi everyone, it's me Nabi Bux, a student of advanced level at Paragon Academy, and today my presentation topic is inflation as a path towards crime. As Pakistan is grappling with many problems like bribery, kickbacks and larceny, theft, terrorism and many other problems, but the inflation is one of the most enormous problems that is being faced by Pakistan. So, what's inflation? Let's discuss. Inflation refers to the sustained increase in the price of goods and services and in economy over a period of time. It means that on average the prices of goods and services are rising up, and a unit of currency can buy a fewer goods and services. Or in other words, we can say inflation erodes the value of money. Increasing inflation is compelling people to commit their crimes and like robbery, bike robbery and mobile snatching, and the juvenile kidnappings are very common. In case of juvenile kidnapping, the kidnappers start blackmailing their parents and demand them for money. And if their parents are unable to pay them, and they start emotionally torturing to their parents and to get their desired money. What do you think what steps should government take to conserve the individuals from committing the crimes? Let's discuss. In my opinion, to address inflation, government and central bank should employ various monetary and fiscal policies. These policies can be such as adjusting the interest rates, implementing price control and controlling of money supply, and take austerity measures. These approaches aim to stabilize the economy, manage inflation, and support the sustainable economic growth. In my perspective, engaging in criminal activities not only harms the individuals and society, but also undermines economic stability. The crime also introduces many additional problems like increased insecurity and decrease in trust. Despite of government policies, each individual should take part to cope with the inflation. They should negotiate their daily expenses and try to run some small businesses. In the end, I am grateful to my mentor, my teacher, my idol, my guide, Sir Mohammad Janjo. He is a man of letters, man of words, and man of manners. As we know that a mediocre teacher tells, a good teacher demonstrates, and a great teacher always inspires. And no doubt that he is a great source of inspiration for me.